Welcome to RenovateWell, where home protection starts with clean, functional gutters. Clogged gutters can cause overflow, foundation damage, and pest infestations. Routine gutter cleaning is essential for protecting your home from water damage. RenovateWell's professional cleaning services keep your gutters clear and efficient. We remove debris, unclog downspouts, and inspect for potential issues. Clean gutters prevent costly repairs and protect your home's foundation and landscaping. Regular maintenance ensures your gutters work flawlessly year-round. Our team delivers fast, reliable service with precision and care. Peace of mind comes with knowing your home is safe from water damage. Keep your gutters clean and functional with RenovateWell. Call us today to schedule your service.